like the blue? You like that blue? You like this blue? From 2 to 2:45, we had our Easter activities, which are Easter arts and crafts. We're making Easter bonnets, we're doing sidewalk chalk, we're making Easter bags, bookmarks, coloring sheets, all different kinds of activities like that. We're also having rides on the Easter Express, which is a little train that takes you around the parking lot here. We have free cotton candy, we have Kona ice for sale, we have pictures with the Easter Bunny, and then at 11 a.m. we have our super spectacular egg hunt. We have more than 25,000 eggs out on the lawn here at Courthouse Square to be gathered.
I know me, Yenna, and Yosef, my two brothers, will have a good time.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
A lot of community events. This is just one of them. Easter on the Square is the annual event for our city. We all have a great time doing it. I've been in the recreation center for 32 years. We've been doing it ever since I can remember.